Now first of all, import required dataset and required libraries. After that, some data inspection have done where we have checked null values and percentage of null values. After that, I have checked data type of every columns. Now see, item weight have 17% null values from both train and test dataset. Now I have plot box plot of them to check if there are any outlier presence or not, and we have seen that there is no outlier. So I replace null values with mean of another. After that, check outlier size, and here also I have this is a categorical column. That's why we can take mean or median. So we have so now we replace null value with mod of them, mod of another. Next, see item fat content. There are irregularities like low fat and LF are same column but in different name. So we have renamed this column for both train and test dataset. Now done. Now check. Now I have done exploratory data analysis of both categorical and numerical features. These are the category 7 categorical features are there. The first of all, item fat content. We have seen that low fat content, product of low fat content are more than regular content, but sales are almost same. Now similar things I've done other features also. After that, we have done new analysis on numerical features like item weight. Here I have shown dish plot, and this is scatter plot. In this plot shown that product around 12.5 have more features, more items, and these are the item weight versus outlet sales price. Similar things I've done with another features also. Here I have checked that item visibility have a minimum value 0, but no practical sense, because when a product is sold in a store, the value cannot be 0. So I have replaced minimum value with a median of them. After that, see that item visibility curve is not have positive skewness, and it may affect in our prediction. That's why we remove skewness, and qput is the best where work it properly. Now item MRP, outlet estimation years column change into year established. Let's see the correlation matrix. That we can see outlet sale is more highly correlated with item MRP. As item MRP increase, out sales increases. Now feature engineering have done, like we have many categorical features, and categorical feature, and computer can't understand categorical features, so we have to encode it in a numeric value. And if we use I have used label encoder for that purpose. Now I have done feature scaling, as whenever a algorithm one algorithm use distance based learning, then feature scaling is feature scaling is more useful for in term of both prediction and speed. Item weight and item visibility have a normal distribution. That's why we have used standard scaler, and item MRP for use the min max scaler. Now I have done model scaling. There I have plot 3 type of curve: residual curve, prediction error, and learning curve. This is linear regression, which gives error, and this is the data for linear regression prediction error, and this is residual plot. Similarly, I have uses for polynomial regression and ridge regression also. For ridge regression, we have to choose alpha value such that it can maximize the score. That's why I have plot max alpha section plot, and I have checked that for value 2, alpha equal to 2, score is maximum. Here score means cross validation score. Cross validation score I have discussed it in here. R square the value of now learning curve also shown. After that prediction error. Similar thing I have done for Lasso regression and random forest. I have for random forest regression I have also done hyperparameter optimization for max depth. Here I have seen that for max depth equal to 5 score is maximum. Similarly I have done a learning curve like previous and also prediction error. Now save as save model, and as random forest regressor give more accurate value, more R2 square less mean square error. That's why we have that's why I have saved random forest regressor for our final product, and scalarization standardization values, normalization and standardization. This is the web interface of the result. Here I have to fill the values like item weight, fat content, visibility, item type, item MRP, outlet size, location, outlet type, establish here, and click predict button, and our server predict them and send it to the website. Similarly, I have predicted more result. And see, and we can export this in a CSV file. As it is exported and in CSV. Thank you.